Hello, crafty kids, and welcome to our magical rainbow craft adventure. Today, we're going to create a colorful masterpiece that will brighten up your day. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our fantastic crafty ideas. All right, let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need for today's craft: white paper, watercolors, or colored markers, paintbrushes, a cup of water, scissors, glue, cotton balls, googly eyes, craft sticks, string or ribbon, rainbow magic. Take your white paper and let's create a beautiful rainbow. Start by painting or coloring 7 colorful arcs across the paper. Remember, it's all about rouge et bive: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Fluffy clouds. While your rainbow dries, let's make some fluffy clouds. Take your cotton balls and stretch them out a bit to make them cloud-like. Glue these fluffy clouds at the ends of your rainbow. Our rainbow needs a place to rest. Magical rainbow wand. Now, let's add some magic to our rainbow. Take a craft stick and color it with bright, vibrant colors. This will be our magical wand. Once you're done, let it dry, putting it all together. Host. Now, let's attach our magical wand to our rainbow masterpiece. Use some glue to stick it at the bottom of your rainbow. Our craft is almost complete. Hanging rainbow. To make our craft even more special, let's turn it into a hanging rainbow decoration. Cut a piece of string or ribbon and attach it to the back of your rainbow. Now, you can hang it up in your room and enjoy the magical colors every day. And there you have it. Our magical rainbow craft adventure is complete. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this colorful masterpiece. Don't forget to share your creations with us on social media using our hashtag #CraftyKids. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay crafty and keep spreading the magic.